Hello friends, I hope you all are well and safe. I am Harshada Nadkarni, a personality development trainer and a counselor. Today I would like to tell you something, and you know what is that? That you are a beautiful person. You are an amazing and a positive person. I really like your company. Yes, I can see the smile on all the faces. We all love someone's attention in the form of appreciation, praising or pampering us, isn't it? Why? Because we know that our level of happiness depends on the outside. And once we assume that my level of happiness depends on the outside, the people and the circumstances around us can switch us on and switch us off. Isn't it? But friends, the world is same for all of us and we know that. But why is it so that while doing a small thing, we tend to get tensed? We think a lot, we worry a lot. But when it is the case with your friend, if your friend is upset for some reason, you are the first one to go and say, why are you tensed? Be positive. Think positive. Everything will be fine. Isn't it? Yes, friends, it is very easy to tell others. But when it comes to us, we become pessimistic. Because we constantly create thoughts in our mind. And the level of our happiness always depends on someone's recognition. Remember friends, how you wish to see the situation will create and determine your level of happiness. And one more thing, and the most important thing, that the key which you have given it to others, if you take that key and keep it to yourself, you can choose your happiness wherever, whatever and however the situation is. So friends, don't depend on others' opinion because they don't know you. Rather, listen to your own voice because you know yourself properly. This reminds me of a story of a frog who wants to reach top of a tree. All his friends were shouting, "It's impossible! It's impossible!" Frog still could reach the top of a tree. How? Because he was deaf. He thought that all his friends were encouraging him to reach the top. Friends, be deaf towards your negative thoughts if you want to reach your goal. And remember, the happiness which you are searching is already in yourself, irrespective of the external factors. Only the thing is, you have to be confident in your attitude and perspective. Friends, as always, the mantra for today is, you all know I tell you about the affirmation, and that is, when you wake up in the morning, look at the mirror and say, I am positive. I am the best. Today is my day. Yes friends, I repeat, I am positive. I am the best and today is my day. On this note, if you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe it. Till then, bye from Harshada. Stay positive, think positive. Thank you. Bye-bye.